Hi, my lovely Cancerians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Cancerians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of April 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Drop comments, feel free to share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also, guys, I'm like really super duper tired, so please bear with the low energy. Like, I'm really exhausted, to say the least. Anyway, so guys, while pre-shuffling, only one message was coming through very strongly, one kind of message, and that is for some of you guys. You know, you're going to get a lot of messages. Okay, a lot of communication is going to come your way, and this message would be related to your career or your financial aspect. Okay, I saw a page of cups a lot of times. Okay, and this page kept on showing up with different combination of cards. Like this page I saw with 9 of Pentacles, which talks about, you know, she or he, whoever it is, the messenger of someone just very close to completing 10 of Pentacles or reaching 10 of Pentacles, which is a super duper abundant card. Okay, abundant energy. Then the page came up with what was it? The page came up with Fool. Okay, Fool. So it's like the page is a messenger of some new beginnings, brand new beginning. Fool is a card which has 0 number attached to it, which talks about starting from ground zero. Okay, a fresh beginning, a new start. Okay, I saw Wheel of Fortune, which again talks that the wheel of your life is changing for good. Okay, it's taking a turn. Okay, then there was a trio of cards that fell. Knight of Cups. Then there was 4 of Cups, and there was the Sun card. Okay, so it's like it's time to take action, guys. You are just sitting and sulking, and you know, you might just end up missing on a good opportunity. Okay, so instead of, you know, crying over spilt milk, or instead of focusing on what is not going right, please try to focus on what you can do or what can go right. Okay, or how you can make things right. You are definitely in for some good energies. Sun card is by far the most it's a very positive card, guys. It talks about, Sun is about, like the name itself suggests, it's about sunny days, it's about better times. Okay, so all you need to do is get aligned with the energies that are waiting to come to your life. For some of you guys, there is some incident, some chapter of your life that is going to close. Okay. I saw Chariot, which is your own energy. I saw 3 of Wands. Things are just going to set into motion. Okay, they are just going to progress. I saw a lot of communication, guys, which means a lot of exchange of words, mails, messages, phone calls. Someone might even travel physically. I saw that either you guys are going to travel overseas, you might go on a vacation. There was 3 of Cups, there was 8 of Wands. These are all about, you know, celebrations. Okay, celebrating with friends and family. There could be a reason where you'll party with your friends. Okay, you'll go on a vacation, you'll take a break, or there could be and there was Hangman also in between, by the way. There could be someone who might just come and see you. Okay, come and see you, your friends, family. Okay, they might just come and see you. Overseas travel is what I saw very 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 clearly. But in a nutshell, the overall energy was about lot of messages coming your way, lot of communication coming your way. Okay, that message was basically repeated. Okay, so let's get started, guys, and see what we have in your main energy. There you go, Ace of Swords and Chariot. Wow, lovely way to begin. I had seen it. Same cards are coming, guys. Same cards are coming. Wow, I hope this Tower. Oh my goodness, you guys have pulled so many major arcanas already now. That is not what I had expected. Please Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm going to stop at that, okay, because otherwise the readings get longer. Like Nine of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Some of you guys, and there is Star card also, Aquarian energy. It's about someone's dreams are going to come true. Okay, it's about wish fulfillments. And look at this card. The ladies are just, toasting to something. Okay, and you guys are definitely going to celebrate something. I also saw this Queen of Wands and I had seen Queen of Swords together. Okay, which means you are either stepping up in your element, like you are becoming that very rational, practical person full of confidence, or you're dealing with someone who is, who is this kind of a person who is extremely sure of what he or she is talking about, of what he or she wants from life. Okay, strong Sagittarian energy. There is Nine of Pentacles here, which again talks about abundant energy. Okay, Five of Pentacles is like, some stress related to money or some stress related to financial situation. Okay, that energy has been showing up a lot while pre-shuffling also, but I feel that is going to change for you guys. Okay, that's what I'm feeling. Very I'm feeling it to the bones, guys. Okay, so if you are stressed out because of that, please don't be. I believe Cancerians, I have given similar message a couple of months ago, and since the message is repeating, I feel you're very close to it. Okay, you're close to manifesting it. Anyway, let me just quickly see the cards. I think we are good enough already. Let's get started. In your recent past, I see there is Chariot and there is Ace of Swords. So some of you guys, when I'm seeing this spread, and when I'm tapping into my intuition, I feel that there is already a new opportunity that you have manifested. Okay, and it is headed towards you in a headstrong manner. Okay, Chariot is all about it's all about what do I say, forward movement. It's all about progress. Okay, and it's just about, going further, going ahead. And I really feel that you at your subconscious level, you have manifested this already. It's just that you're waiting for it to come into a 3D world. Okay, it all depends, the timing depends on how aligned you are to receive these energies. The more you are stressed, the more you are out of alignment, the more delayed it's going to get. Okay, that's what I'm getting, guys. Your current energy is about Three of Wands and there is Hanged Man. Okay, you guys are definitely waiting for something. Guys, you're waiting for your ships to sail through. You're waiting for your your time. Okay, it's like, it's just a matter of time when I can fly. It's when I can take that break. Okay, that is the kind of energy I'm getting. By the way, some of you guys might have actually planned vacation, or you guys have actually planned a trip somewhere, planned a break somewhere, and you're waiting for that date to arrive so that you can go with your friends and family, or go on that vacation, is what I'm getting. I had exactly similar message for, I don't know, I think it was Taurus, if I'm not wrong. Taurus or Aries. Okay, Taurus or Aries. If you have that in your birth chart, or if you're dealing with a Tauran or Arian, please do check out those readings. Okay, I think I had similar message for them. I also feel that for some of you guys, you really need to contemplate over something. Okay, you really need a shift of opinion, is what I'm getting. Okay, a change in your own perspective is what I'm getting. Strong Piscean energy coming through, guys. Some of you guys need to, oh my god, 4 out of 6 cards in this spread are major arcanas. There's major arcana over here only, guys. Energies are shifting big time for you, like big time. There is a big churn of energy shift happening. And Cancerians, that's why if you are feeling any upheavals, if you are feeling very unrest, unsettled, it could be because of that also, because the energy shifts are really very difficult to deal with. We don't understand it if we are not on the if we are not aware of it. Okay, I had also posted a small video called dealing with difficult energies. Okay, please do check out that reading. If at all you are facing some difficult times, it's not a reading, it's a small video. If you are dealing through some difficult times, difficult energies, not understanding what's happening, please do check out that video. Okay, I am sure it will help you in a tiny way, if not major way. Okay, anyway, so guys, yes, if you see the Chariot card, if just look at these cards, guys. Okay, the Chariot card, like I said, is about, this is your own energy, by the way. It's a Cancerian energy. If you see, this person is kind of having this black and white what do I call, goats or ships, whatever they are over here, and he is in charge of this carriage or whatever. You need to take charge of your life. You need to balance the shadow side and positive side of your aspect and personality. Okay, you really need to acknowledge your own traits and your own qualities and attributes. Okay, and you really need to seek balance between them. Take control of the situation is what I'm getting, guys. Definitely you don't have to worry about anything. You are blessed by God, angels, spirit guides. Okay, all you need to do is take hold of or grip of the situation and your life. Okay, guys, if you really need to take a break, take a vacation, please do that. It is very much needed. Sleep as much as possible. Sleep rejuvenates us. It actually gives us a new life. Okay, and it actually gives us a new opportunity in every way to start new energies. Okay, to churn new energies. So yes, do take that much needed break. Do try to meditate, calm down a little, take a step back, look at the Hanged Man. Okay, this man is standing upside down. Okay, which means that he really needs to see the things from a different perspective, from a non-biased perspective. He's hanging from the tree. He has no support, which means he has to see things extremely non-judgmental way. Okay, that's what is needed out of you, guys. And Strength card, again, you really need to believe in your strength, your own capabilities. Okay, and you are capable of doing anything. That's all you need to do is you need to acknowledge it. Okay, again, Leo energy over here. There is strong fire energy, by the way, even while pre-shuffling. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, if you have this in your birth chart, do check those out. Or water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, and I feel that for some of you guys, you are, if it's a new opportunity that is coming your way, you're going to get it like all of a sudden, out of the blue, when you're not expecting it. Okay, for some of you guys, you'll have a euphoria kind of a moment. Okay, wherein a thought is suddenly going to come to you, and it's going to change it's going to be the game changer. Basically, such thoughts are your angels or spirit guides that are communicating with you. If you have any such thought that has come to you out of the blue, okay, it could be in any form. It could be your thought, it could be any forward message that comes to your feed, or any YouTube video that starts showing up in your channel, okay, or on YouTube, or whatever it is that you're browsing. Guys, it's no coincidence. It definitely is a message from your angels or spirit guides. Okay, they communicate in this way, and you need to acknowledge it. Okay, for some of you guys, there could be a tower moment. We'll clarify that because there is Strength card coming over here. Okay, so let's quickly come to this also. Again, I would like to check whatever it is. But yes, definitely some sort of some sudden change that is going to happen. Probably you will need some time to adjust to this change, is what I'm getting, because it's going to catch you by surprise, for the good or for the bad, and definitely it's going to take you some time to digest or process what is happening. Okay, Three of Swords, some of you guys are definitely hurt by something or someone. Okay, Three of Swords and Ten of Wands. Okay, there are some endings. Okay, there definitely are some endings, and it could hurt you. I mean, Three of Swords is one of the most painful energies of the tarot card. and whatever this ending is, it definitely is going to hurt you or is hurting you guys. You guys, like I said, Page of Cups, there is going to be some message of some sort that is coming your way. Page of Cups, Page of Wands, and I had seen Page of Pentacles while pre-shuffling. So like I said, please expect lot of messages coming your way, okay, either in terms of relationship, romantically, or in terms of your career, okay, but expect a lot of messages. There could be a case wherein someone might come and apologize to you, okay, someone would just, say sorry to you, okay, but someone definitely is going to come and contact you, is what I'm saying, guys. High Priestess and Star card, you guys really need to, and this Hanged Man, all this, oh my god, the major arcanas are just making me go like, what is happening, guys, it, this High Priestess and Hanged Man and the Aquarian energy, it's really telling me that you guys really need to take some time to heal yourself, okay, especially if you're going through this Three of Swords energy, which is a very hurtful and painful energy. Please be very good to yourself, please be kind to yourself, please be gentle to yourself. If you have not been keeping well, if you are not keeping well physically, have been ill, sick, please, even then, do take care of yourself, do whatever it takes to heal through this, okay, emotionally, physically, mentally, okay. Rest it out, okay, you really need to rest it out. That is what is coming through very strongly. Take a break, even if it is as small as 2-3 days. Please prioritize it and take a break, okay, no matter what, work is always there, it's never going to end, okay. You need to know what is important for you, okay, and that's what I'm getting very strongly. Please bring balance into your life, bring balance into your situations. The Chariot card is also talking about balancing things, okay. The Aquarian energy is also talking about balancing things, okay. Be balanced in your life, okay. Meditate a little, okay, meditate it a little. Do what gives your soul pleasure, okay. It could be in any form: baking, cooking, exercising, or painting, or writing, whatever it is, okay. Do what makes your soul happy. That is what you need right now, okay. Heal, okay, heal is what I'm getting or coming through very strongly. Let's quickly see what that Tower is about, okay. Please tell me more about the Tower moment. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, just look at these cards. They are all belonging to Pentacles suit of family, okay. Ariel is Pentacles in our conventional tarot. Page of Ariel, I have been seeing this page. It's like the what do we call, stalker card of your reading, okay. It is confirmed that you're going to receive some message, okay. This Tower is going to be this messenger, okay, and it's going to come out of the blue. It is going to kind of take you by surprise. Probably, you'll have to walk on a tightrope kind of a situation, okay. It'll be a little difficult for you to multitask, okay, but have courage. This is going to be temporary phase for whoever it is, okay. Have courage, you got this, you're going to get through this, okay. Five of Ariel, like I said, there is some sort of burden on you guys, financial burden, okay. Pentacles are all about financial burden, and it's kind of put you on the walking on a tight rope kind of a situation, okay, wherein you really have to juggle, okay, juggle and struggle, and try hard to balance things out, okay. If you remember the Two of Pentacles card, wherein the person is juggling, okay, and trying to balance on one foot, okay, that is the energy I'm getting, guys. But I think this page is going to be the breaker, the person who's going to break this cycle for you guys, okay. I'll read the cards for you. You needn't Go through your current challenges alone. Help is nearby. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. So please be mindful of your thoughts. Do not give in. Okay. Page of Ariel is at the center, guys. An excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Scholarships or the pursuit of education. Time to get to work. Definitely, this page is going to be the messenger of a new work opportunity or something that will change your financial situation. Okay. It's important to have balance. Working multiple jobs or projects at once making work fun. So guys, so couple of messages are coming repeatedly and strongly for you. One is you are going to get a lot of communication, and I am 90%, more than 90% sure this communication is about your work or your financial situation. It could be a new work opportunity. Page of Pentacles generally signify a new work opportunity. Second thing is balance is what is lagging in your current energies, guys. You really need to balance things out. You really need to work towards bringing balance into your life. Okay. Rest it out, meditate, contemplate, take a break. Okay, these are some of the strongest messages that are coming through this reading for you guys, and I believe you shouldn't ignore them. Let's quickly pull some additional messages from this beautiful deck. Indecision. I use my intuition in all aspects of my life. Yes, that's what the High Priestess is telling. Okay, High Priestess is usually all about tapping into your inner energy, inner self, believing into your intuition, paying attention to your hunch. Okay, that's what the guides are asking you to do. Okay, use your intuition wherever required. Okay, let's quickly pull some additional messages here. Expect powerful change. Of course. This tower is significant of some powerful changes in your life, and don't worry, I believe it is for your good only. It's a positive change only, and just buckle up, guys. You are in for a ride. So Cancerians, please do let me know. Okay guys, I'm going to quickly pull some charms. I hadn't pulled charms for quite some time, so we'll just quickly pull some charms and conclude the reading. Okay, I'm not taking this one. Okay, let's quickly. Initials Y, initial E, and initial J. Okay, if it means anything to you guys, E, Y, and J. I wish it was Y, E, and S. It could have been one complete of confirmation of something, but let's assume it's yes. Y, E, and J. Okay. Yeah, Y, E, and J. And what is this? Oh my god, Cancerians, do I need to give you any other confirmation or any other how do I tell you guys? Your financial situation is going to improve, and you are in for a lot of money. Dollars showing up right away. And well guys, just sit back and relax now. Just sit back and relax. Wow, I'm so happy for you guys. You are always in my heart. Oh my god, someone is telling this. You are always in my heart. Such a lovely charm and message. I mean, wow. Oh my god. And what is this? Believe in love. Oh my god, wow. Believe in love, Cancerians. If you don't, please don't be so harsh to yourself. Believe in love and all good things in life. Okay, wow, cute messages, isn't it? So Cancerians, I leave it at that. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.